YouTube fam, this is a short video. Somebody asked a question about my Can Am Spyder onesie rain suit. In addition, so I got the storage bag that goes with it. And then, because oftentimes I don't ride with my Can Am Spyder water boots, I also carry some rain shoe covers inside this kit. Okay, for me, I wear a size 10.5. I think I got them off of Amazon for about I think $6 or $7, and these are size 2X, 2XL. So just to show you that this onesie that I carry, that I keep on my bike, this is okay. Shit hit the fan, it starts raining, I don't have time to get anything else out, get up underneath some covers, or I'm towed through my Garmin 595 that I can see inclement weather coming. So pull over to the side, preferably up underneath overhead protection like an overpass. Sometimes, depending upon the type of shoe that you're wearing, you might have to take your boots or your shoes off because of the fact that these are rubber lining on the inside. These will tend to stick. So this is an extra large. This extra large will fit even my bigger jacket, one of my leathers over jeans. I put my shoes, flip my shoes back on, right? Zip it up, button it up, Velcro, snaps, right? It has a hood on the inside. Take my belt, okay? It's an adjustable belt, okay? You got one hip pocket in which to put a wallet, okay? And you have one breast pocket stored. You got Velcro and elastic on the sleeves to prevent water infiltration. You have forearm adjusting snaps and bicep adjusting snaps with illuminating accents on the sleeves, shoulder, and on the back and on the legs. So after I would get those on, and I'd take a seat, pull out my inserts, my rubber boots, and like I said, these are 2XL. I wear size 10.5, and these will fit over even my boots are size 10. Just make sure you put them on the right foot, or you might have an issue putting them on. There's left and right branding on the bottom. They slip over, right? And they also have drawstrings to pull up, tie up around your boot ankle. And then, of course, you can always take once you get that on, I put some key rings on my zipper, make it easier for me to grab with gloves, zip it closed, and then tighten up my ankle, blouse my ankles around. This is the Can Am Spyder rain onesie. Catch them on eBay every now and then. I've actually got two. I tried the medium. The medium didn't fit over. Medium didn't fit. It was kind of too tight on my. It's kind of too tight over my large leather jacket. Again, I weigh 175, and I'm 5'10", and an extra large seems, for me, seems easier for me to put on over my outer riding garment. In addition, I keep some extra money inside my pocket, and rubber gloves, and some extra my squeegee, my face shield squeegee that I put on my gloves, and it's the medium that has my black gloves, rubber gloves. But okay, so here's my extra gloves, my extra rubber gloves. It's nothing like getting caught in a downpour and you don't have waterproof gloves, and wearing these 3mm rubber PPE gloves does come in handy in a downpour, especially if you don't have your riding waterproof gloves with you. And at least these will get me up and out of the rain until I can get to a spot, so I can get to some cover that would allow me to pour those out. I'll cover these up. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so and these are my rubber gloves insert. Alright. Like, comment, subscribe. It's the Three Wheel Traveler, and I'm out.